Our G2 4K, our 3DOF product, was the perfect solution for application healthcare, training, education and events. Last year, Siemens, a world-renowned company, has used our G2 4K headsets for the kickoff. We installed 550 G2 4K headsets along with a 360 video that was played simultaneously on all the headsets to provide a unique and unforgettable experience. But today, we would like to introduce the newest version of our 3DOF product, the Pico G3.
High-quality, professional enterprise content needs always the best resolution, and the Pico G3 is working with a fantastic 4K display.
L'avantage de Pico, c'est indéniable, c'est la flexibilité. On a toujours eu, grâce à Pico, des SDK qui étaient très ouverts, avec la possibilité de mettre des applications en lancement autonome, pas de barrière de compte utilisateur ou quoi que ce soit. Donc il n'y a pas photo sur le marché. Quand on veut travailler de façon professionnelle, Pico, ça reste le meilleur choix.
I think it could be very great for maybe the hospital, tourism. For example, if you want to visit a place like a museum.
In the name of Pico and in the name from Alize and the full team, I would like to say thank you for listening.